kitchen with another DSR Farms video. This is going to be one of those cooks where like people either really like it or really don't like it, and I fall in the former category of that. So we're just going to get right into this. I've got some chicken livers here, and like I said, there's people that love them and there's people that hate them, and that's just how it is. So anyway, we rinsed these and then let them soak in a little bit of salt water while I was at work, and then just rinse them and pat them off again. I laid them out to see like how thick they were. If they were going to be like super thick, I was going to pound them and get them a little flatter so they cook even, but they were all like really flat and look good, so I'm not even going to mess with that. And then I've got about 1.5 cups of flour right here, and then I've got probably a tablespoon of salt and then a teaspoon of black pepper, garlic powder, and some Cajun seasoning. I'm just going to throw that in there, mix that up, and give it a taste and see if it needs anything from there. Alright, so I got all that mixed up and tasted it, and it tastes really good. So we're just going to start throwing these in here, and when we get all of them in there, I'll put the lid on there and we'll shake them up and get them good and cooked.
Oh, I was going to say do that.
What are you doing?
Getting it all nice and white.
I think you did a good job. What about you?
I'm getting it all nice and white.
These coated, and we're just going to put them in this oil. Hopefully this oil's somewhere around 350 degrees. I don't have a thermometer that goes that high, I don't think. So I'm just kind of basing it on how they cook and turning it up and down from there. Okay, so these things have a little bit of a membrane on them, I guess, and as you're cooking them, they'll blister up and it'll pop. So what I've done is I've just taken a knife and ran all the way through both sides to kind of put a hole through that, because if not, you'll get little bitty air bubbles that explode and send grease all over your kitchen. So that seems to be fixing that right now, and everything's going great. Alright, so there's about half of them or so, and I'm finishing up the rest, but I figured I'd outro this video real quick. Another benefit for poking a hole through there is you can kind of see when all the internal juices get done, like running out as you're cooking it, so you can tell when they're done that way. But anyway, off camera I made a little gravy and biscuit. Gonna plate these up like this right here. And I didn't do this on camera because I've made this like 24 times on camera, and I'm not gonna bore you with that, but I'll put a link to some gravy and biscuit somewhere. And yeah, just throw a few of these on there with that and call that a day.